Disclaimer. The information in this podcast is for educational purposes only and is not medical advice. Always consult a qualified healthcare professional before starting or changing any treatment or supplement. Today we are going to talk about 5-amino-MQ, also known as 5-amino-1-MQ, sometimes written as 5-amino-1-MQ hydrochloride. This compound is a derivative of menadione, which is a synthetic form of vitamin K. Researchers have been studying it for its potential effects on energy metabolism, cellular health, and even anti-aging applications. One of the most interesting things about 5-amino-MQ is that it appears to interact with the mitochondria, the energy powerhouses of our cells. By modulating how the mitochondria use oxygen and generate ATP, it may help improve efficiency in energy production. Some early studies suggest it might mimic certain effects of calorie restriction, which has been linked to longevity in many animal models. People who are experimenting with 5-amino-MQ often talk about potential benefits like increased endurance, reduced fatigue, and improved overall vitality. There is also discussion about its role in supporting metabolic health, potentially lowering blood sugar levels and influencing fat metabolism. However, most of this is based on limited human trials and preclinical research, so the evidence is still emerging. When it comes to dosing, research is still very early. Experimental ranges in studies have varied widely, and there is no universally accepted guideline for human use. Some users report starting with very low amounts, monitoring their response carefully, and adjusting slowly. But again, because this is not an approved therapy, there is no established safe or effective dosage, and professional guidance is essential. Possible side effects are not fully understood. Because 5-amino-MQ acts on mitochondria and metabolism, some users have reported mild gastrointestinal upset, shifts in energy levels, or changes in sleep patterns. Long-term safety data simply does not exist yet, so caution is key. Overall, 5-amino-MQ is an exciting area of research. Its potential to influence energy, metabolism, and possibly aging makes it a compound to watch in the coming years. But like many peptides and experimental molecules, it remains an area where curiosity outpaces solid clinical data. Disclaimer. The information in this podcast is for educational purposes only and is not medical advice. Always consult a qualified healthcare professional before starting or changing any treatment or supplement. Thank you for listening, and as always, keep learning and stay curious.